Welcome to Crypto and Stock. My name is Hugo. I'm a Brazilian guy that came to US over 20 years ago, and like many of you, I did not start investing early, and I'm playing a catch-up game. So before we start in this video, if it's not asking too much, please go down here, subscribe to my channel, click on the little bell so you're notified when I put a new video out, and I'm gonna try to put almost daily, at least 5 days a week. And if you like the content, please smash the like button for me. It will help me a lot. It help me to YouTube start telling people about my videos and kind of like notifying more and more people about my channel. So thank you for that. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy a stock just because I'm telling you to buy. Just if I talk about a stock, you like it, do your study, talk to a financial advisor, and follow up on that. Don't just buy because I'm telling, because I'm just a normal guy like many of you guys. I just like stocks. Let's start talking about the market. Market's been pretty good. Yesterday was a green all over. S&P was green. The Dow was green. Nasdaq was green. Russell was green. Tesla had a great day, over 13%. And on the pre-market today is over 1,200 that I was looking this morning. It's still a couple hours before the market opened. Yeah, I think this week is gonna be a good week. It's kind of like the late leg of the Santa Claus rally, so let's see how that goes, right? Okay, why do I believe crypto will be the currency of the generation alpha? And you're like, which one's the generation alpha? I know every few years it changes. Generation alpha is the kids that are born from 2013 to 2025. I have one daughter that was born in 2014, so she is an alpha. And there's many kids that's not even born yet, and they will be the generation alpha, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Those are 4 more years of this kid. So, crypto. Let's talk a little bit about crypto. Analysts estimate that the global cryptocurrency market will more than triple by 2030. Talking about the next 8 to 10 years, you will more than triple. There's no question in my mind. Like I wish I had bought Bitcoin when it was $100. Like now it's like $47,000. That would be good, but I did not buy because at the time I did not believe it. But now I'm a believer. Oh yeah. The number of investors on cryptocurrency has increased steadily. Like every time we have so many retail and young people. You see those Dogecoin millionaires or that invest way back in the time, and today they're enjoying the $1 million club. Drawbacks and benefits of cryptocurrency. Let's start with the drawback. Let's start with the bad one, then we bring the good ones. The drawback, first one, is price volatility. It is nerve-wracking. One day cryptocurrency goes up 20%, next day go down 50%, go up 10%, 20%. Like 10-20% is normal. I have some of the metaverse coins. There's some days go down 10, the next day 10, then go up 20%. So you have to have the guts for it. It is hard at first, but if you believe it on a coin, just invest like I do, dollar cost average every week. I buy a little bit of my favorite coins. I'm gonna talk about those in the end of the video. And they go up and down, up and down. Like the last few months, they've been kind of like flat, just walking in the mud, slowly up and down. But that's what you do. So volatility is really a drawback. Someone just come to the market and buy $1,000 in Shiba Inu, one was 0.000 whatever 50, and now it's down to 33, like 0.00033. So those like retail people that have never invested and are not used to if this up and down, will sell the coin right away. That's why there's so much volatility. Second one, there's no way to recover if you lose. Once you lose a crypto, it's gone. Cybersecurity, a lot of people are scared, like, oh, I'm gonna have my money, like they already steal from banks. Can you imagine it's something that's not regulated? So there's some cybersecurity drawback, and lack of regulations. There's no regulation. That's, you build a coin, you manage your coin, but there's not really government regulation. And that is the same way it goes to the benefits, because some people don't want their money to be managed by the government. Benefits are many. There's first one, mobile payment friendly. It is really easy. You go some apps and just get that through. Accessibility is right there on your phone, and you can buy crypto, you can trade crypto. It's easy. Although with today's bank, for example, I haven't been signed up a bank for a while. I just go on my phone, take a picture of a check, and deposit my account. It's like that. There's less fees than banks. So if you invest in crypto, there's less fees. There's more privacy, and you're not dealing with bank and government, and a lot of people like that. So those are the drawbacks and benefits. Now let's talk about the future for like cryptocurrency, bitcoins, and all that. So start from Bitcoin has the future exposure ETF. It's not, to me, I'm not into that, because I don't want to bet in future contracts, but it's something that started. I think that's how the government is putting their toe in the water, so they can check, is this gonna work or not? Should we start approving some of these ETFs? And because it would be nice if we could have the spot Bitcoin ETF, but this has washed off in 2021. Everybody knows that, and I do not believe it's gonna happen in 2022. I was reading some of the articles from the Bloomberg, and a couple of analysts, Eric Balchunas, sorry if I say your name wrong, and James Sayford, wrote in a note published a few weeks ago that the proposed ETF that would invest in Bitcoins directly have virtually no chance of SEC approval in the near future. And I do agree. It will not get approved in the near future. But I think in about 5, 10, 20 years, it will be way more available. We will have some ETF and some more tradings that will happen with these coins. This is my belief. Business will start accepting more. I was looking through Motley Fool website. I was reading some of the business. I did not really check each one of the business, but it looked like Overstock.com, Traveler, PayPal, AT&T. AT&T suppose is the first cell phone company that is accepting cryptocurrency payment. I believe it's only Bitcoin. Starbucks, Cheap Air, and of course Dallas Maverick. Some people might ask about Tesla, and I did look into Tesla, and it looks like there was Elon Musk said that it's going to start accepting Bitcoin, but I saw another article that in May he said there was some complication, and at this time they were not being accepting Bitcoin. I'll do a little bit more study and check on that. And I know some of the movie theaters, they were talking about even accept Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was fun that time when they started going up. We thought it was the next meme coin that's gonna make people millionaires. And I do have a couple of $1,000 in Shiba Inu. I do believe it will add a zero before loses zero, but we'll talk about Shiba in another video. Another thing is, why do I believe that crypto is gonna be the currency of the future is, think about when you're a kid, you play ball, you go outside and play hopscotch or football, baseball, tag. You outside playing. You're not like inside the house. And it's a snow day. You're gonna do a snowball fight. Now the kids, what do? They go to their iPad. It's too cold outside. They're gonna go to my iPad. They're gonna go to my iPhone, or I'm gonna play with this doll that talks to me and answer my questions. It's so much more digital for them. It's like the robotic. That's normal for them. They're not used to if you're like, oh, I need to build a car out of this box and a couple of pieces here and there. No, they're like, get the remote control car. The pull string car that doesn't exist anymore. So for them, it's normal. Like for us, it was normal to play with a car that you manually use. Now they push button and like turn, like RC cars. So for the new generation, it's normal, this digital world. Like I remember when I was, like if you're 40 like me, remember, we used to write a check. I pay my rent with check. I go to the grocery store, I write a check, and I used to see people even 5 years ago, like elderly people writing a check at the grocery store. You don't see that anymore. It's like basically there's no cashier, and I used to write a check to pay bills, and now I just go on my computer, like a credit card pay, or my phone, and deposit check. It's all digital. It's like paper doesn't exist anymore. You go to school, you use iPads instead books. You don't carry like 50 pounds of book on your backpack. So it's normal. Like it's the new generation. My daughter, if like I gave her allowance through Venmo, my older daughter. My younger daughter, she get investment allowance that I put on the stocks. But I just send a Venmo. So this become normal to everybody, and I think that for my kids' generation, what it's gonna be, instead of Venmo, it's gonna be cryptocurrency exchange. So they're gonna grab one phone, grab the other phone, tap, and the phone is gonna have like an app that already does the math between, I have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, so I want to give you one Bitcoin, and you tap and become so many Ethereum. So I think that's the way it's gonna be. And to finalize and make sure so it doesn't bore you guys out of death, what's my favorite cryptocurrency that I buy in a consistent base and I will continue buying for 2022? My first one, Ethereum. Ethereum is, I think it will be better than Bitcoin in the future. It will take a long time, but it will grow better. Why? Because it's faster, it's bigger. There's like a big blockchain that goes. It's not like Bitcoin. Like a soldier, and Ethereum. It's like the whole arm. You have so much more that you can do inside their space. So Ethereum, my first one. Bitcoin, definitely my second one. I like Solana and Cardano. Those are really good. I'll put those two in my third. And my fourth is a group of the metaverse. Metaverse is going to explode in the next few years, as Facebook already changed their name to Meta. You can buy land and NFTs, so much you can do on the metaverse. And my three favorites that I buy is Mana, Decentralized, Axie Infinity, and Sandbox. Sandbox is really good. I buy all these three on a weekly basis. And my last and fifth, it's not really a fifth, but my fifth that I believe is crypto.com coin. I do like crypto.com. I do trade in their platform. I do have the debit card that they have. So the reason I believe is because I believe it's gonna be like the Binance, and right now you can buy crypto.com coin for like 50 cents, a little bit more than that. Let's see here. Sorry about that. Crypto.com is trading at 56 cents, but I think it's gonna go to 100 in a couple of years, and that's what I'm betting. Why do I believe in crypto.com? Thing name is amazing. You put the name of your coin as crypto, score. There's the debit card that you put money there, and whenever you got that card to get the benefits, you need to stack some of the crypto.com coin. And I have like a little bit stock, and then I got Spotify for free, and I got 2% back in every purchase that I use. The platform is easy to navigate. It's free for the first 30 days, so a lot of people can benefit to go for 30 days buy crypto and not pay any fee. And you can stack in most of the coins. So like a lot of the coins you can stack. You do have a minimum. For example, Mana is 750 coins. Crypto.com, you have like if you go to their platform, their app, you can see how much you have to put in each coin. You cannot just put one, but Solano is one coin. So okay, so I think that's it for today. So thank you so much for sticking with me for this long. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.